Good day, everyone. My name is Manastis Justin. In this, for today's this presentation, I will discuss how the CPU works, the evolution of the CPU from part 1 to part 4. Before we start, I show a video based on the provided videos, an overview of the GPU, and finally the operations of programming of SAP1. Understanding this topic is important because they form the foundation of computer architecture. Every device we use today, such as smartphone, laptops, and servers, relies on this concept. By the end of the discussion, we will have a clearly understanding of how computer process evolves from sample design. How the CPU works. The central processing unit of CPU is often referred to as the brain of computer. It is responsible for executing instructions, performing calculations, and controlling the flow of data throughout the system. Main components of the GPU is the first major components of the CPU in the control unit. The control unit acts as the manager of the CPU in direct the operations of the processor by telling the other components what to do. If instructions for memory decodes them and ensures that the correct signal are sent to the ALU and registers. The second component is the arithmetic logic unit, or ALU. The ALU perform all arithmetic operations, such as additional and subtractions, as well as logical operations, such as comparison. For example, whenever a program needs to compare two values or perform a calculations, the ALU is used. The third component is the registers. The registers are very small but extremely fast memory units. Inside is the CPUs. There's temporary store data, instructions, and results that are begin process. Because registers are located inside the CPU, they allows very fast access to data. Finally, the clock is the responsible for timing. The clocks generate electrical use. The signifies all CPU activities is pulse represent on Y recycle, and every operation inside the CPU depends on the clock signal. Friends and the code execute the cycle. The GPU operates using a process known as the friends decode execute recycle. First is the friends stage. In this stage is CPU relatives and instructions for the main memory using the program counters. Second, in the decode stage, the control unit interprets the instructions and determines what operation need to be performed. Third is the execute stage. The instructions is carrying out using the LLU register or other components. This cycle repeats continuously as long as the computer is running. Example, for If a program instructs the CPU to add two numbers, the CPU is French the add instructions. The control unit decodes the instructions. The LLU performs the additional and stores the result in register. And now, evolution of CPU processor. So part 1, early CPU mechanics. In the early days of computers, CPUs were very simple. They will only process one instruction at a time, and their processing speed was extremely slow compared to modern processor. Early CPU had very limited memory, minimal register, no multitasking capabilities. There's computers were physically large and consumer a lot of power. Example, NAC and others vacuum tube based computer. Part 2, improvements in CPU design. As technology improves, CPU becomes smaller, faster, and more efficiency. Translators replace vacuum tubes, allowing CPU to operate at higher speed with lower power. Consumes key improvement include fast clock speed, better instruction handling, improving data transfer. Example, Intel's 8086 processor which laying the foundation for modern times 86 architecture. Part 3, performing optimizations and paper lining in part 3. The video's discussion how CPU improves performance thoughts. Paper linings allowed multiply instructions to be processor at different stage at the same time. Instead of waiting for one instructions of finish from start, another CPU overlaps the execution stage is significantly improved efficiency. Example, Pentium processor that introduces advanced paper lining techniques. Part 4, modern CPU architecture. The modern CPU are highly advanced and efficiency. They include multiply cores. She allowed them to perform multiply tasks simultaneously. Key features of modern CPU include multi-core processing, cache memory L1, L2, LT, hyper-threading, power efficiency, example, intercore and AMD Ryzen processor used in today's computers. Overview of GPU. The graphics processor unit of GPU is a specially processor designer of Hanley Graphics and parameter processors task. Unlike the GPU, she focuses on executing instructions frequently. The GPU excels at performing many calculations simultaneously. CPU versus GPU. The GPU has a small number of powerful cores designed in form complex logic and control takes. The GPU, on the other hand, has thousands of smallest core designed to process large amount of data in parallel. Use of GPU. GPU are used in gaming and graphic rendering, video editing, artificial intelligence or AI, machine learning. Example, when playing a video game, the GPU renders a thousand of fixed simulationally to create smooth animation and realistic graphics. And now SAP1 operations. SAP1 or sample as possible one is a educational computer architecture design to demonstrate how a CPU works at a fundamental levels. Components of SAP1. The main components of SAP1 include program counter, memory register, instruction register, accumulator LLU, control unit. Operation cycling. The program counter holds the address of the next instructions. Number 2, the instruction is French from memory. Number 3, the control unit decodes the instructions. And 4, the LLU execute the instructions. Sub-1 programming. Sub-1 programming is done using machine learning, where instructions are writing in binary format. Common sub-1 instruction LED is a load data into accumulator. ADD is add a value of accumulator. SUV subtract a value. AUT or output the result. HLT hold execution. Example programs. Example sub-1 program might load a number into accumulator. Number 2, add another numbers. Number 3, output the result for the whole the program. This demonstrated how even a sample computer can perform useful and operations. Takeaways. From this discussion, there are several important takeaways to help to use better understand how computers works and how processing technology has evolved. First, we learning the CPU is the core all computers operations. The CPU does not work randomly. It follow a very structured process known as fresh decode execute cycle. Every instructions, no matter how simple or complex, Fast taught this cycle. This showed that even modern computers still rely on the same fundamentals. Principle used in early computer system. Second, the understanding the computer of the CPU such as the control unit, LLU, registers, and clock help us realize how tasks are the efficiently coordinated. Each components are efficiently and the CPU only works effectively because there's parts fractions together in synchronized manners. Third, the evolution of the CPU from part 1 to part 4 show how technology are continually improved to meet increased demands. Early CPUs were slow, large, and limited, but modern CPUs are smaller, faster, and capable of multitasking. Thought multi-core design. This evolution highlight how innovation in computer architecture leads to better performance, energy, efficiency, and reliability. 4. We learn the difference between CPU and GPU. Widely, the GPU is designed for sequential and logic is tasks, and the GPU specialized in parallel processing. This explains why GPU are essential not only in gaming but also in AI, machine learning, and data processing. Understanding these distinctions helps us appreciate why modern systems use both processor together. Fifth, study SAP1 operations and programming give us a clear picture of how computers work at the most basic level. SAP1 simplifies complex GPU operations, allowing users to see how instructions move from memory to execution by learning SAP1. Programming we understand the even advanced computers are built on sample machine level instructions. Finally, the most important takeaway is the modern computer system are built is a sample foundational concept. This file the complexities for today's processor. They're still really on basing participants principles such as instruction executions, memory access, and control signal learning. Their fundamentals give us a strong foundational for understanding computers, system programming, and future technology advancement. In conclusion, we discusses how the CPU works, taught its components and processing cycle. We explore the evolution of CPU for early design to modern multi-core process. For we are also examining the role of the GPU and how it's different from the GPU. Finally, we study SAP1 operations and programming to understand the basic computers architecture. This concept helps us appreciate how far computer technology has evolved and how modern system functional efficacy. And this video and discussions. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching. Have a good day, everyone, and God bless. Goodbye.